If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to a JASMY video update today. And I just a while ago I made a video about Luna Classic, and I gave an example of Bloktopia. I just want to show you Bloktopia and why I'm never like bullish all of a sudden. You see, my experience comes from coins like this, and coins like this really taught me that, hey, just because something pumps doesn't mean it bottomed out or we're gonna go to the moon. How many people know of Bloktopia? Because Bloktopia was a metaverse project, very popular one for the gaming space, in my opinion. And we had this huge channel to the downside, and you broke out of it, and people thought this is where we're gonna start to go back to the all-time high. But instead, everyone's expectation was killed, went down, you broke out, people thought again we're gonna move up, and then you created another range to move down. It started pumping, people thought here it's gonna go up, and it continued, pump, it's gonna go up, no, down. When do things go up? We need a proper check of stuff. For example, if you look at the EMA, look at this EMA. Have you ever made a bullish cross? Ever since 30 November 2021 all the way down to 4 January 2023, never have you made a bull cross. You never made a bull cross. And if you don't make a bull cross, you cannot even start to say an uptrend or a bull run is going to start, because bull cross means that the bull run starts. You never even did that. You went above the 55 EMA, the 10 EMA. When you went for the back test, the retesting failed, moved down. The same thing, whenever I look at JASMY and I see that, oh, it's believable that we can even move lower and lower, but people don't want to believe it. If I tell you that it's even possible for JASMY to continue even to 435, you're going to say that that's not possible. But look at Bloktopia. What happened to that thing? That's where the experience kicks in. We have Veracity. I don't know even if Veracity exists, VRA, and we're going to check VRA as well. And look at that, look at VRA, very similar situation. I was doing the TAs back in the days here, and look at that, still a downtrend, still a mess. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back to the JASMY charting right now. And the problem with this one is that even for JASMY, you do have this 55 EMA. There's no bull cross, no nothing. You're still under the 55 EMA, and you are at the resistance point. I still don't support a uptrend unless, for me personally, if you want to know when we can expect an uptrend, is again breakout, clapping. Very good, you broke out. What next? Come in and make a bull cross, back test the validity, is that what they say, or verify if it's going to come down and actually make a successful retest. If it makes successful retest, get a confirmation candle, try to break above this high right there, make a new high, boom. From here, an uptrend and a bull run, just the same way you have a downtrend, same way you have an uptrend. Did that happen? The first step hasn't even happened. As a matter of fact, we have this resistance right here on this upper resistance, 1, 2, 3, nearly 4, and this is the fifth one. From here, you can still see another leg down. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm just gonna see you down in 1700 or 2000. This is my technical target still in play, and that's it. Gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.